How to change file extensions and types in Windows 11. Windows 11 supports various file types. Here's how to change file extensions and types quickly. Changing file extensions. 1. Using File Explorer. Make extensions visible. Open File Explorer, click the View tab and check File Name Extensions. Right-click the file, select Rename, and change the extension, e.g. .rtf to txt. 2. Using Easy File Renamer, EFR. Download and install EFR. Go to the System Renamer tab, click Add Files, and select your files. Choose the Replace rule, enter the old and new extensions, and click Rename. Changing file types. 1. Documents. Open the document, select File, Save As, and choose the new file type. 2. Media files. Use a file conversion tool like any video converter. 3. Images. Open with Microsoft Paint, select File, Save As, and choose the new format. Remember, changing extensions doesn't alter file content. Use proper tools for file type conversion.